Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta easy and quick. Forget complicated recipes. We are going to simplify the entire process. You will discover how to create delicious, fresh pasta from scratch in under 30 minutes, perfect for any meal. We will focus on minimal ingredients and straightforward techniques, ensuring a successful and enjoyable cooking experience every time. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones with your homemade pasta skills. Making pasta quickly starts with understanding your ingredients and tools. You truly only need two main ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 large fresh eggs. For tools, a simple rolling pin and a sharp knife are perfectly sufficient. If you want to save even more time, a food processor can mix your dough in just about 1 minute, making the initial steps incredibly fast and easy. It is all about efficiency. Now let us get to the heart of the process, preparing the dough. Start by combining 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 large eggs. Mix these together until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out and knead it vigorously for about 5 minutes. This develops the gluten, giving your pasta a great texture. After kneading, wrap the dough and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step makes rolling much easier. The final steps bring your pasta to life. Roll your rested dough very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. This thinness ensures a delicate texture. Next, cut your pasta into your favorite shapes, perhaps classic fettuccine or wide tagliatelle. Finally, cook your fresh pasta in a pot of rapidly boiling, salted water for just 2 to 3 minutes. It cooks incredibly fast, so be ready to enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.